Yes, Enuanum TV GH. Enuanum TV GH, home of local stories. Yankupon Shirao. Na onyo kesi ene first time I should page ya hano. Krobia Sante Kotoko. And I feel hard so folk and some. And I had the ebro stories in a top form. Never two clubs you and ya the bro. Emma unye be share and I say TNT unyan subscribe to the page. Message the subscription button no. Found sabos on subscribe my a free. Sebe the videos to my own subenya bi. I share Enuanum TV GH. Enuanum TV GH. Subscribe to the page. Share, like it, ne comment, subscribe, share, like, comment, ne bibia. Enye kama ewo hono. Mene meden semne bro from Bird Power a Premier League Hearts of Folk. And some wo ne be boy adwen. Ere a kire Hearts of Folk. Mpanimfo ni bi sanso na crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ehon so ensem wono ma ye de beba ensem ne no hye subscribe ne share subscribe share opeso join your WhatsApp platform na 0249433793 0249433793 WhatsApp ya yes you we can you TV GH WhatsApp platform no na bibia aye kama ewo hono na mame fansa mnemero Mama shas yem free Accra House of Folk aswe. Enra Hearts of Folk etnefi. Esama Red Tamale United. Ebe share no Akambi no emani timu baako. 4 consecutive games running. Hearts of Folk elusu ni nyina. Mama follow page ya che. Me bekan ewa hanom eka be 5 games anasi e bobe we drew week 29. Hearts shas yesu olusu game no. And I'm a Becachilo has said, one way the next 5 fixtures Aka has to focus anymore. Has Belusu game in because from last season, Benina has been penning for me who say, Timono a drew stage say a rescue mission. Teams now almost battle for relegation. Say has to folk echo Shiama or some rescue a team no. The open league agents no, and was has to folk a rescue no more. The Becas and Seminwa. Ebe kan say enu ntu ya House of Folk supporter nyabotre na psyche wadwene say matches na aka no wan hwe ya House of Folk elusu bi me kan sa na aka 5 games aka 5 games na me kan you know ya bom 4 ni nyina no je me kan na bom House of Folk elusu 4 ni nyina House of Folk elusu 4 games ni nyina na elreho enoma ekoso House of Folk no mpanimfo bi hu ne se enoma ekoso House of Folk no tan ene enyan no egu club no mfi no areho pa so ya House of Folk supporter enra House of Folk supporters miensa ene frame na panyin ba ku osu anesa because aja se obidi na koma ne krabe di football club ochi na club ni mpanimfo because of selfish interest players ni be selfish interest inti no mo ye de omo pe o club ni no mo ye de omo pe e wo club ni mu 4 consecutive games running House of Folk lose ni nyina House of Folk awrahu se me wo me say House of Folk lose a wonyaye no e cheda say House of Folk ebetumi akọ relegation wo lose the last game wo breku Chelsea House of Folk betumi ahwia na yeye yes House of Folk ebetumi ahwia na yeye entino ne yakoso House of Folk no entino the management of House of Folk the executive board chairman His Royal Majesty Ohimpon Togbe Afede Laryea Akambi mo Vincent Odotoi so amo Frank Nelson mo Dr. Nyawo Tamakulu mo enti the club no ekọ na yemofe the House of Folk team no eko sese no eyemofe na Togbe enti the nkrofo bi the House of Folk team no empempenso bi the House of Folk team no eko no enti na wani je ho in the House of Folk the 11th House of Folk at the 11 45 points House of Folk at the 11 45 points relegation zone just 3 points enti has e marun fi say e ban head to head that Great Olympics no the 16th no or the 15th na 16th no 42 points no one House of Folk head to head no beat House of Folk enti se no makose ya na se Womo mo da House of Folk asini nyina wini omo matches a e chese House of Folk be ko relegation. For which I mean who say NC but that dentina NC krana ye tinoma a club a car 10 matches club a car 8 matches club a car 7 matches no competing for league title no with the last 6 games to go no club on empathy for relegation. That's the questions I was you bisa na mprimfo answer. A car 10 games na House of Folk ewo competition a car 7 games na House of Folk PRO operado din komosa still House of Folk bet me a G League no e ban send a car 6 games House of Folk empathy for relegation. House of Folk last 4 games Oma Lusuetia RTU Oma Lusuetia Legon Cities Oma Lusuetia Mediema Lusuetia Samatest. I said it here. The last 7 games House of Folk are born. We need 1 and lose 5. The last 7 games 1, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last 7 games no has a lose 6. Hey, the last 7 games so has a lose 6 and we need just 1. Because we're shaking face Tamale City Sheno, Bechem Sheno. The last 7 games has a lose 6. House of Folk and Penify D and Yomofe supporters no can Laryea Akambi Abepa Ponteba be diatem. I don't want to single out Laryea Akambi. This time around it's the entire House of Folk management, Men single out Laryea Akambi and single out Vincent Odotoi so Dr. Nyaonya Otamaklo Munina mo board members, the club ne konomo and then among Famunensi form Royal Majesty or Impon Nana wo ye juma wo investing but project a wo ye no pobimani na club de football club no de dinim club any infrastructure so name on the field of play club no modimbo enemy hu club no in the so be see yes mo dan nyina na se park no so anko ya na ye nkai Nana wo pepa no nana wo pepa no se wo beboa club no de wo mabo mo glory days no but empanimfo bi moa and wo mo players no na and look at the kind of a defending say enti konadu ya dom Roberta do so amo my goodness enehwe House of Folk team said that House of Folk asino Relegation United Accra Lions, Legon Cities, Tamale City, and Great Olympics. Karela 44 points. Accra Lions 44 points. Legon Cities 43 points. Tamale City 42 points. And Great Olympics 42 points. Say Karela, Accra Lions, Legon Cities, Tamale City, Great Olympics. And we know our next games na kana our last games are na se House of Folk lose just House of Folk away. Na yakọ matches are 2 clubs no Super Bowl. Yakọ matches no omo fixtures no. Ni enhwe se achievable demand those clubs no. Say omo betimi win a areho me who has say has be ko relegation there but pempen so House of Folk adru no. Areho pa entino Mediema Tamale City be kwa away to Mediema very difficult tough venue sa ehonom no Mediema here 1 point no the G League no because obo draw waje so lose na Bechem United sha Bechem United age omo be tie on the same point but head to head in Bechem beat Mediema entino Mediema here a point no the G League no ewo takwa wone Tamale City enebebo Tamale City nso points owo sisia no 42 enti imagine say Tamale City ekwohye Mediema asemsebe Ghana Premier League ne wono ye nyina yenim say Bechem United no onye na adwun so obaji league no oye secured enti ba bia woda no pressure enini so enti no oye secured enti nyina enim de betimi asi ewo honom enti no nkobo huhu bia sa enso na tima your friend RTU ni Kimfacer RTU abate wa survival enti Kimfacer match ni Kimfacer beshe no Legon Cities ebebo tia Samates enti no se Legon Cities ehye Samates a echila wo se House of Folk obekwa ko sign House of Folk ho Nese house lusua. Chale ma ode ma memfa no kransi wo. Eden na ekoso no house of folk. Eden na ekoso no. Empenifo mfa no man to you. House of folk nye senate last season ye bebo season no. Season ni beba na wiye the same thing. Season ni beba na wiye no. The same thing. And the car 5 matches. Mo chair points sa. Chair points sa. Adia bechi obeko corporate institution bi wo so okako sponsorship yam fa mount because a dinner wa bo wama about house of folk ni edin fon sebi enti yam fa mount yam fa mount eni house of folk ye bo house of folk dia ni e kan relegation ebisi ema asante koroko rescue wo mo ebisi ema asante koroko rescue wo mo omo J points omo koye ye both season ni we no mo ne Pando Heart of Lions atai 40 points head to head and ema Pando Heart of Lions echo relegation team penifo that time no ma di ga kwatwi protest against Kotoko na Kotoko asho mu 2-1 amoma file protest against Kotoko ama penifo age points in the House of Folk and these points no beba ma House of Folk e ka league ni mu penifo hu ze ye both season na we House of Folk ni team a friend of Heart of Lions no has the head to head the BT Heart of Lions in the Heart of Lions called relegation no and Kotoko a protest koye no yesaje points ni back de ma Asante Kotoko enti wie no na head to head no team a friend no Heart of Lions 40 House of Folk 40 na head to head no has share Pando Heart of Lions 4-0 ewa Accra Sports Stadium eno nko lusu 1-0 to head to head no ene ma House of Folk eka league no ene House of Folk asa kwa kodawa ede na ekoso no pass David Okulu say House of Folk supporters no mo betimi akasa de but muhu kwan mo befa so akasa because obe inherited depleted side anu ye coach na sem na oka no also obe inherit obe team no obe fine na depleted but the main catch David Okulu ni say it was the same squad and obe inherit ya o catch the Togbe and House of Folk supporters ne interview bi obe bia no akasa House of Folk betimi a G League no it was the same squad and the team na was or battle for a title no na say ne or struggle for relegation don't come and tell us say obe inherit a depleted side because when ka one team and G League no cry at least I was saying ka top 4 no team room and the team now wa winim say omo capable of winning the championship ne or battle for relegation apeso be ka chem say depleted side intino yen jai kasa supporters ne jai kasa David Okulu kan wanu tum unim de wokeka David Okulu nim de wokeka mo the House of Folk team ne ko achile ye kwaka mo see you mama fa House of Folk nsem ni nsuo mama fa House of Folk nsem ni nsuo na like Kingston a former Black Stars player was see Akanwa Mononia or a legend of Ghana football was see mama fa nsem ni ntwan to next video no about transfer stories video ma was see House of Folk any crop ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko so man for proper planning and one kwema forget the success say ya no be ya no ma forget it omuntimi compete bia locally ya no be compete locally ha krono mo compete a teams nketo anza be twe o ma hwe tilai Kingston was say Kotoko any House of Folk no ehia proper planning long-term planning long-term project in the whole 5 years project at the home ya communicate ya chelo supporters no supporters who say the next 5 years no say near person the club ni kodu entimo de munya botere na munya kumapa na mumfa hwe mpanimfo nim na mun trust the process na say project no and no supporters ni beti ase but sanya ni sa na this year the way House of Folk every next year na after the season no and Penifo be interview akachile say House of Folk be the league next season no proper planning when you say to players 20 in the beje next season Kotoko company for Baba catch say Kotoko Beji League next season. Metiasie say Asante Kotoko ne has to folk no every season ma was so with the mentality the aim say omo kwa league no, but to compete with the big guns of Africa no, you need a proper project, long-term project, proper planning. Said you like Kingston come intimidate ya dream 100%. Say ye nyama trauma taking decisions 2 days and fan ko Africa. You taking decisions 2 days and my team no reach the highest level. There be a proper planning. Kotoko struggle. Kotoko crowd domestically on the house the way. But dear Kotoko no, Akano, me did say menshia, but now no, omuye bibi, yes, omuye bibi because I got a game to go. Here we are. June, July, August, yes, starting league. And you know, bed 3 months and I was penny for the BBA. Bed 3 months, within 2 months, and penny for the appointee BBA new coach, taking players, and you know, a brand new. And you know, I'm said the echoes to 2 clubs, we know, one here next season, no better struggling, say, Young fans, Semnisia. Young fans, Semnisia, subscribe to Anyanum TV GH. Yanko Ponshiro Bibia, now on your Bibia Kese.